Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this session. So today I will be talking about the top 3 reasons why you should join NABARD. Yes, today I will be talking about the salary, service and status of NABARD grade officer so that you people can get motivation, you people can get motivated for your preparation of NABARD grade A, right? But before that, I have a request. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want to download the informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD exam, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Now, with that, let's start today's video. So, talking about the service of a NABARD grade A officer. So, as a NABARD grade A officer, you are going to serve the rural community. That is a very big thing because we all wanted to change things at grassroots level, but we are not getting that opportunity. But if you are a NABARD grade officer, you have that opportunity in your hand that you can change the things at grassroots level. You can help rural community, you can help farmers. So as a NABARD grade officer, first of all, you will be getting as a assistant manager. You will be getting the job profile of an assistant manager. So that is a managerial post, okay? And you will be managing various tasks related to rural community. So be it with the regarding your state government, you will be coordinating with the state government, central government, and also you will be helping making policies. You will be helping making any programs or any schemes that will benefit ultimately the farmers or the rural community. So as a whole, if I see a NABARD grade A officer, so the work of a NABARD grade A officer is very respected because they are somehow leading changes. They are somehow responsible for upliftment of our rural society, upliftment of our farmers, है ना? So इसलिए I see the NABARD grade A officer as a very respectful job because you have this opportunity in your hand that you can make the changes and you will see the result after these after these policies are implemented, after the programs that you have designed, you will see the changes. Okay, the changes will be reflected and you will feel good. Okay, as an officer, as a NABARD grade officer, you have contributed in the betterment of the society, in the betterment of rural community, and as a whole in the betterment of your country. So yes, I find this reason to be a top reason to join NABARD grade A officer, as you have the opportunity to serve the country at the grassroots level. So the next reason is your salary. Obviously, everyone want this. Okay, everyone has a कहीं ना कहीं एक रीजन होता है कि यार सैलरी अच्छी होती है. तो सैलरी भी नाबार्ड ग्रेड ऑफिसर की बहुत अच्छी है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सैलरी, so the basic pay here is your 44,500. Okay, this is your just base pay. Then you got the DA of 23,197 and other allowances are also there, and in total you get 92,598. है ना? तो सैलरी भी बहुत अच्छी है. So apart from this salary, there are some deduction, but these deductions are just for your benefit only. Okay, so after deduction, your net salary becomes 71,946. So now you can see that salary is also very good. Okay, first of all, as a assistant officer, you are getting this opportunity to serve rural people. You are getting this opportunity to make changes at the grassroots level. And on the top of that, the salary is also good. It's not like that you are serving rural community, you are working for the rural bank, you will be not get paid enough, right? So you are being paid enough, and the salary is also a decent, right? So this is the salary. If we talk about the deduction, so what are these deductions? So basically, you have NPS of 8,196. So this is not complete. This is not a deduction. This is not a kind of, you cannot consider it as a deduction. You can consider this as your savings because in future you will be getting this money back. So anyhow, this is your money, okay, which you will be getting in future. Then talking about income tax, so tax we all have to pay, right? So that is your tax of 11,456, and then other deduction includes your medical insurance and all, okay, and that is for your benefit. And in total, the total deduction become your 20,652. Yes, so this is about the deduction. But apart from this deduction, there are many allowances. There are monthly allowances, there are yearly allowances that is given to NABARD grade officer. So if we talk about allowances, so there is a petrol allowance of 21,000. So which is a very good amount, right? And this petrol allowance just vary depending upon the metro city you are living in. If you are living in the metro city, then this petrol allowance is more, and it just vary. Okay, it just vary also depending upon the region, depending upon the place you are located. Then there is a house allowance of 5,000 rupees. Then you are paid for your internet, newspaper. Then you are paid for your mobile recharge. Then there are coupons that is given to you. Then there is a maintenance allowance given to you. And if there is no quarter, okay, usually NABARD grade officers get quarters to live, and these quarters are in very high society, in very good society. But if there is any chance that at that location, at that particular state or that particular region, they do not have quarters, then you are getting HRA of 25,000, right? Then there is the allowance for children education also. So you can see that NABARD take care of their officer very well, right? So they are giving the monthly allowances, and which is a good decent allowance to be given as a officer, right? Then talking about yearly allowances, so yearly allowances are also given at the year of 2 to 5 years, and this includes your book allowances. For books also, NABARD is giving you money, because NABARD want you people to be updated, right? So for books also they are paying you. Then there are medical on declaration allowance, then for briefcase, furniture, and so on. Okay, so these are the yearly allowances that are given to a NABARD grade officer within 2 years or within 5 years. Clear? So as in whole, you can see that the salary, talking about the salary and perks, it is good. It is very well for the, it is very decent for an officer, right? Then now we talk about the status. Okay, now we talk about the growth in NABARD grade. We talk about the what is the growth, and how we see as a NABARD grade officer in future, in coming 10 years, or in coming 15 years, right? So NABARD gives promotion to their officers. There is a proper chain in which they are getting promoted. So if anyone join NABARD as an assistant manager, if anyone join NABARD at a grade A officer level, so he will get promoted, and he will become manager after 4 to 5 years, after serving 4 to 5 years, after getting 4 to 5 years of experience. And depending upon his work, depending upon the quality of work, depending upon his services, he will be promoted to the manager. Then after that, there is a promotion toward the assistant general manager. Then you become deputy general manager, then general manager, then CGM, that is chief general manager, and then deputy managing director, and at last chairman. So this is a very good growth. When we talk about growth in NABARD, so you can see that from assistant manager, you are getting a very good growth. If you are joining as an assistant manager, so you can easily go to the chief general manager level, okay, by your promotion, by your promotion, and by your services, by your quality of work. See, if you are once in an assistant manager post, so after 4 5 years of your experience, you will be becoming manager. And after becoming manager, after 4 to 6 years of your post as a manager and an interview, then you will be promoted to the assistant general manager. Then after assistant general manager, after 4 years serving as assistant general manager, there will be a written test, there will be interview, and then you will be promoted as a deputy general manager. So yes, there will be a written test, means NABARD will take your test. That is why it is paying for you for your books also, right? So they want you to be updated. They want their officers to be updated. So that is why there is a written test and interview for the promotions. Then after deputy general manager, of serving as a 3 year of deputy general manager and an interview, then you will be promoted as a general manager. Okay, and then CGM and so on. So you can see that it's like the growth is also very good in NABARD. Growth भी बहुत अच्छी है. Salary, status, service, सब कुछ अच्छा है, right? So if you are joining as a NABARD grade A officer, so you are in a very decent place to make changes in the society, to make changes in the grassroots level. And also NABARD is paying you a decent money, decent salary, so that you can get satisfaction also. And also the growth in the NABARD is also very good, and you will be serving as a chief general manager or general manager, so which is a very good post, which is a very good status. If we say in society that he or she is the chief general manager of NABARD, it itself increase your status, right? So as in whole, I find these three reasons as the top three reasons to join NABARD Grade A officers. And for that, for becoming NABARD Grade A officer, you wanted to prepare, okay? You have to prepare. And if you wanted to prepare from our course, and if you wanted to prepare for phase 1, phase 2, and interview of your NABARD Grade A, you can take our gold pack, gold course. And if you just have the, if you have the command over your non-merit section, that is quants reasoning English, then you can take our silver course. That will give you the material for phase 2 as well as interview. So that was all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, do let us know. And if you have any query, any doubt, you can contact us and comment down in the comment section. So that was all, aspirant. Thank you so much.